Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Orbitkey Key Organizer. And as usual, I'm going to add some tech to it by adding the Orbitkey Chipolo tracker, which makes it a great addition to your keychain if you're prone to forgetting your keys. This organizer here is the espresso brown leather organizer, which holds about 2 to 7 keys depending on the size of keys that you have. And it also depends on the add-ons you put in. So things like putting in the tracker in here is going to take away from the amount of keys that you can put in, but I'm totally fine with that. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up and we're gonna move these set of keys that I have here over into the Orbitkey Organizer. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'll just remove it from here. So over here we have the instructions on how to get this all going, how to assemble it. So we're gonna unscrew the locking mechanism. We're going to insert the washer, and then we're going to fold the band and then fasten again. And here they're just showing the different ecosystems that they have, which is just the different accessories essentially. So here it's just saying that the locking mechanism adjusts the tension. So as you start to turn it, I believe you start to hear some clicks. Oh, here's an additional washer. Okay, so let's get to it. It seems pretty straightforward. So I'm going to take out my most important keys here. Then I'll just put these aside for now. And then I'm also going to open up my Chipolo tracker here. We got the Chipolo tracker. And there you hear it clicked in, so that means we're locked in right now. So here, I can pull out the one key that I need. And it's preventing it from jingling. So right now my tension is good, it won't go anymore. Here we have the D ring. So this here will be to put my fob. I'm also going to add my car key to it. I'm also going to grab my fob. I can add it all to it right now. And there we go. We have the D-ring connected to the regular ring, which will then connect my fob and my car key, which can't obviously connect to this because there is no gap. Okay, so that cleaned it up pretty good. Got a few more keys that obviously I can't fit on here right now. Otherwise it wouldn't be able to close. So I think the next thing I'll do is I'll just go through setting up the Chipolo tracker. So I've gone ahead and I've already installed the Chipolo app on my device here. Now I'm going to go about pairing my tracker to my Chipolo app. And now I'm going to click on the plus sign. And then I'm going to choose partner products down here. And I'm going to scroll down and look for Orbitkey. And here it says, press firmly the button on your Orbitkey and listen for the sound. And we can see that's now going through the pairing. And now we can see it has successfully paired with our Chipolo app. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test it out. We're gonna go right into it by clicking the little tile here. Now, if we press ring to find here, you'll see that it's starting to ring. And to stop it, we could just press the button once again. And just double pressing it stopped it from ringing. Now, if we had the scenario where we lost our key, we would see that this portion here would say mark is lost, and by pressing that it would start a community search. So anyone that had the Chipolo app, if it saw in its location, it would actually send the location of where it was last seen. Now look at the different options that we have. Here we have our out of range alerts. So if you did drop your keys, your phone would alert you that it is out of range from your device here. So I'll just go ahead and enable that. Alerts active. Here you have take a selfie, so you can use this as a selfie clicker. And you can also pair it up to your Alexa and your Google Assistant. So another way that this comes in very handy is, let's say you misplace your phone and you want to find your phone. You could actually, in this demo here, if I close this off, if I go over to my tracker, now if I press it here, it now sends the alert to my phone so I can find my phone as well. So I've been using the Orbitkey for about a week now. It's light and it keeps the keys secure from moving around in my coat pocket and scratching my phone. And when I place it in my pant pocket, I do find myself double checking to see if I still have my keys, even though I have a tracker, because I've been conditioned to feel the keys always against my leg. Now the only downside I can find is that the tracker takes up a bit of key real estate. So if you have a bunch of keys that you want to organize, you may want to skip the tracker. If you have any questions, drop them down below, and I'll see you on the next one.